Hi everyone, welcome to week 8, the last week of our project 2, and which is also the last week before the spring break. So you guys did a great job last week. I really love your slides. So this week is time to finish your presentation. So I'm gonna show you the week 8 page. So this week we have 6 tasks in total. The first one is this video, and the second one is to keep reading something about the effective presentation. So the third task is about the reflection. So after 3 weeks reading, I think you should have some better understanding of the effective presentation. So please finish your one-page reflection in the slide. So please add your Padlet reflections in the week 6 as the first paragraph and then add more thoughts. So please also share your reflection double spaced in the slide effective presentation channel. And the next thing is about use the screencast tools to finish your presentation video. So these are some details for this assignment and also some rubric. So if you want to watch one example, there is one example video. So for the task 5, after finishing your screencast presentation, please share your YouTube link. If you want to use YouTube, you can share by Google Drive or just share the file to your screencast in the Slack video channel and the assignments. So I will give you feedback in the assignments, and please also give at least one feedback to your colleagues in the Slack video channel. So please remember that you need to share your link in 2 places. So the last task is about the midterm response. So I will send you the midterm response after you submitting your presentation video. So you should receive all of your response in the spring break. So please check your email. So after all of this, your week 8 and project finished. So congratulations, and I hope you will enjoy your spring break. Have a good time. Thank you.